Hello there, this is Patricia from Pinky's World. As today is World Card Making Day, I thought I'd do a wee quick video of what I'm working on today. I have been working on a one sheet wonder, which is great for getting a load of cards out of one sheet of 12 by 12 paper. So these are what I'll be showing during the week. If you want to pop by my blog, I have 4 cards and 2 videos for you this week, so I hope you can drop in. It's all using the one sheet wonder. Today I wanted to do one live for you just to encourage you to get your crafting stuff out and have a wee go. And remember to check, there is a special offer in my shop for World Card Making Day. It's been on all week. It ends on the 7th, and you get about 10% off some items, some really useful items like your dimensionals and sticky dots and turn tape. Just check it out, you will see some lovely items reduced, so make use of it if you need those items. So today I'm going to use my final wee strip that I have left of my one sheet wonder and show you a quick card. So I have cut, you'll see, I'll show on my blog, I'll show you how I cut the whole sheet. This is one of the ends of the sheets, and I've added a trim of the real red card, and I'm just going to stick it to my base card, which is a 6-inch square card that I'm using today. I cut all my papers today to suit the 6-inch square size card. Maybe next week I might do to suit the smaller C6 cards. Let's see how that goes. But this has really helped me to get ahead of my Christmas cards. So if you line that up on your board, actually with the line you'd like it at, you'll make sure then you're sort of good and level up both sides. This one is going to be a religious card. I don't do many religious, but I do have some of my friends and customers who actually prefer religious cards at Christmas, so I like to cater for everybody. The So Santa set that I've been using for the week ahead is a real fun, giggly set. It'll give you a laugh, and there is some people who love to get a wee funny card in the post. So I've trimmed that off to suit, and now I want to do stamping. And the stamping that I'm using, or the stamp set that I'm using, sorry, is called His Light, and I want to use the big word rejoice and my red ink pad. So I'll just get that now. I'm going to use my stamp board simply because I know I will have to go back down a few times, and I'm going to go with real red. Oh sorry, that's lovely lipstick. It's not much good to me. Here we go. Real red ink pad. And it's one of the older ones. I haven't purchased the new one yet. I know, naughty me, but I will. I'll get round to it. I'm trying to get them all matching. So, secure your card. Get your stamp, and the one I'm using is Rejoice. And I'm hoping that I get it lined up properly, because if I don't, we'll be in trouble. So, I sort of want it just slightly, make sure I'm reading this right here, just slightly to the side of the card. So keep your magnets close. If you're using your Stamparatus, it's much better. It now has grid paper, and I could line that up. This one is not so easy to line up, and I'm hoping I actually might put a wee sheet under, just to see if I have it lined up properly. So when I lift that, I'll pop that in. So I'm hoping, it's hard to tell, so you really need a practice run at it. So I'm just going to pop that in there, ink this up, and see what happens. And this is the glory of using your Stamparatus. You'll be able to do this a couple of times and just double check that you're happy with it. No, see, that's not, is it? Is that the way I want that? No, it's kind of running up. So I'm going to wipe it off just so I don't get in a mess. Whoops. This is my great cloth. Oh, I've used the wrong side. I want to keep the dirt all to one side. As you can see, it's well used and well loved, but it works. Works every time. So we'll just make sure that it's a wee bit different. So when I stamp that, it's kind of running up the ways, and maybe that's the way it's supposed to run, but I don't like the look of it. So we're going to try it down. I'm sure I'm miles off, but it does show you that you can reposition and have a go on scrap paper so you're not ruining your card. Yes, that's much better, isn't it? The words are actually going straight across. Yeah, I like that. So I'm going to wipe this off again, just simply because I want to hold it over this and make sure it's not going below my ink marks or my tail. Yep, that's fine. So ink it up for the third time and hopefully the last time. But you can see how brilliant that is. Treat yourself to one of those boards of some. If you don't want the Stamparatus one, shop around and get a different one, but you won't be sad. The Stamparatus one is excellent, and I will be getting one for sure. Where am I caught? Here's something caught on. We press, lift it up. I don't think I'll bother inking that up again. I think I'll like it like that. So I'll close this ink before I do damage. Oops. Now, that's my card stamped there, so we just have to add a bit of decoration. That is a beautiful stamp. I mean, just the one word, it says everything. You don't need to add Happy Christmas or whatever. Just leave it the way it is. So we'll pop this over and leave it sitting there clear for a minute. Don't want to keep you long. So to decorate this, I wanted to put a wee tiny bit of this lovely festive cotton. It comes in 3 colours, the Farmhouse Festive Cotton Twine, and it is so soft. I hope I'm not going to destroy it with my inky fingers now. But it comes in 3 lovely colours, and I'm going to go with the white simply because I just want to keep it natural. So I'm making a bow. I'm not tying a bow because I also don't want a bulky knot. So I'm just going to tie and hope for the best that my loops aren't too big. Just keep twiddling about and position it where you want it to be. I'm just setting it just above the rejoice, and I have a faceted gem which I'm going to add glue to. It is sticky, but I'm going to add glue to it so that I can maneuver it about. It's a gold faceted gem, and I just wanted to keep the bow in one place, but I don't want it being too bulky. If I tied a knot, it would sit well out and it would cost you a fortune to post just for the sake of one gem. It's really not worth it. So fold your own bow, play around with it till you're happy, until that takes. And then just trim your edges off, your tails. I'm pretty happy with that. I think it's very pretty. And just leave it like that. There you have a lovely card. No bother about it. If you cut your sheet, you're going to get maybe 8 or 9 cards out of that one piece, and it's brilliant. It just helps you to zoom through them. I have been at this maybe an hour and a half to 2 hours this morning, and that's my 5th card, and all the cutting and everything. It just, you'll fly through it. So if you're interested in the One Sheet Wonder, pop by my blog this week and check out my videos, and I hope you'll get some useful information out of it. Remember, I'll have all the links down below, and I hope that you get time to check out the special offers and go to the clearance section too. You will get something good out of it too. So I hope you can see that. I will put photographs up, you can see better. I have funny light coming in today. It is so sunny outside for October. Shouldn't complain. But thanks for dropping by, and I hope I haven't taken up too much of your time. Bye.